Alright, hey guys, we are actually unboxing our RF Bug Detector Spy Camera Finder and anti-spy tool with dual lenses on it. Now, this is a very compact device. It just has recently come out, and the good thing about this one is it's very easy to carry, comes with a nice pouch, and we'll talk about it just in a few minutes, but let's check out what we get inside the box first. Inside the bag actually. So that's the actual unit. It comes with a charger for the device. The charger is just a USB-A to USB port, and along with that you get a tiny sample camera just to know if the device is working okay, and literally that's all you get inside the box. Let's go ahead and explore a little bit more about the functionality, features, and the sizing of the device. Alright, so we're just putting everything away. This is the main device. The very first thing you want to do is basically charge the device for a good 3 to 4 hours. That should be more than enough to charge the internal battery of this device just by simply plugging in the cable that comes inside the box. I've just charged it enough. Just looking closely on the device, all the RF detectors have got one basic feature. What they do, they intercept the signals coming out of a device sitting in a corner, either emitting wireless signals such as GPS or electromagnetic, such as a listing device or anything. These devices help to identify those hidden devices, and they either beep or flash or allow you to see through those lenses on the device. Now, just the device which we got here actually covers hidden cameras, wireless signals of any kind, listing devices, GPS trackers, and so obviously this wireless signals cannot be seen, but the lenses, this nice shiny lenses on the top, are basically infrared detectable lenses. What you can do is simply see through those lenses, and it reflects back the lens, any hidden lens hidden on the premises. The good thing is you can obviously alter the level of intensity on the device. So if you look closely, you got the IR lenses right here and here. They're two huge lenses, which makes it convenient for you to use it. And then you got a switch here which turns on the light. Obviously, to see the lens in the dark gives you the best effect. So all you got to do is press and hold the red button here, which is the lamp right here installed at the bottom. If you want to change the mode of lens, it can actually change the mode of lens by pressing it once. If you want to make it flash, so let's say the camera is hidden in a corner where you cannot easily find it, you can always make it flashy. The flashing of the light basically helps you in reflecting back the lens wherever it's hidden. So it nicely shines the lens of a camera, like a nanny cam or any camera, tiny pinhole camera like this, hidden in a corner. If you see through the lens, it will actually just reflect back the lens of the camera. Yeah, and few different modes of lamp, so you can actually set based on your convenience. And then up here, the second button you got on the side is basically to alter the sensitivity level. It's set on level 3 at the moment, but if you want to make any changes, you can actually bump it up or just reduce the sensitivity. What is normally recommended to do is you begin with the medium range sensitivity and bump it up if you still have any suspicion of finding a device hidden up there, such as a listing device or a GPS tracker. Just keeping in your mind that this device does not find a hardwired device, it will only find the wireless devices hidden somewhere. Such as a hardwired GPS tracker, this device won't find, but any kind of wireless signals devices it will easily be able to find. I like the compact design of this. It's really easy to carry with you wherever you go. Literally the size of it is 1.5 centimeters wide. Length is just 2.3 meters and a centimeter, sorry, and the width is 2.3 and the length is 15 centimeters. So that's all you got. Very compact device, very easy to use. Obviously the instruction guide will be provided along with the device. If you have any questions around it, feel free to reach us out.